In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chats from WhatsApp. Whether you're doing this for archiving purposes, to transfer conversations between devices, or simply to keep important memories. This process is straightforward and quick. We'll guide you through each step so you can achieve this effortlessly in just a few minutes. To begin, let's open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in WhatsApp Backup Extension. You'll receive a list of results, and what you need to do is click on the first link that appears. This link will take you to the web page where you can install the necessary browser extension that will enable chat export functionality. Once you're on the page, look for an option that says Add to Chrome, or a similar button for your particular browser. Click on this button to add the extension to your browser. After clicking, a dialog box will likely pop up asking for confirmation. Confirm by choosing Add Extension or Allow, depending on what's indicated. Once installed, it's helpful to pin the extension to your browser's toolbar for easy access. With the extension ready, go to the WhatsApp web at web.whatsapp.com and log into your account if you haven't already. From here, you'll be able to see your chats just like you do on your mobile app. Simply click on the chat you want to export. Your selected chat will open on the screen, and you're ready for the next steps. Now, navigate to the pinned extension icon you've just added. Click on it to activate its functionalities. The extension may ask you to select the date range of the chat history you want to export. Choosing a specific range can help reduce clutter and allow you to focus on the most relevant messages, whether it's the past week, month, or a custom date span. Once you've selected the range, you'll have the option to choose the export format. Common format options can be text files, PDFs, or others. Consider what format will work best for your purposes. Text files are handy for quick editing, while PDFs are great for maintaining the structure and appearance of the chat. Finally, with everything set up, click on the Download button. Your chat will be exported in the selected format and saved to your device. Check your designated download folder to ensure the chat has been successfully saved. And there you have it. In just these few steps, you've exported your WhatsApp chats and secured a backup of your valuable conversations. Whether it's for administrative purposes or safeguarding personal memories, this process provides a practical and efficient solution. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!